Just like with our own health, taking small routine steps to maintain your vehicle can help to ensure it keeps running smoothly while helping you avoid costly surprises down the road. As the colder months approach, check that your heater is functioning properly so you are prepared before the temperatures drop. Next, check your lights and wipers. Clear visibility will be even more important as the days get shorter. Cold weather also means checking tire pressure weekly, and remember to keep your gas tank at least half full to prevent fuel lines from freezing. The cold is also tough on your battery. Get it tested at any AAA-owned car care location or AAA-approved auto repair facility. If you need a replacement, AAA members get a free 3-year limited replacement warranty with the purchase of AAA car batteries. Plus, as a AAA member, you save 10% on most everyday maintenance items at participating Napa Auto Parts stores. Keep your ride in top shape this season. Visit our website to find a trusted service location near you.